Hello guys, so today I am sharing my personal experience that I experienced tonight creating a reusable part in WordPress. Reusable in a sense, the part or the section that you create and it generates something like a code and you use this code in any sort of a page or any sort of a blog post. So let's create a reusable section. So I have created it for my client today. So I am sharing the steps that how you can create the reusable component, the reusable block, or the reusable section in a WordPress Elementor. So first of all, you have to come to the dashboard, WordPress dashboard, then Elementor, then editor, and simply templates. Maybe you can find your templates in the left sidebar, but if you have an Elementor Pro, then you can navigate to template with this manner. So just open the template, and here you see you have some sort of a templates just like a save templates. So I created today for my client. This is CTA by name of CTA and the CTA box for the block. So this is the templates I created today for my client. So you can create by add a new template. Okay, you just have to click on it and select if it is section, single page, header, footer, plotting element, any sort of. But most of the time when we are creating a reusable section or reusable block, then we have to create the section. So I have created the section here, CTA box. Let me show you guys. So here it is. I am going to open it with the Elementor so I can clearly show you how it looks like. So wait a little bit here for Elementor loading. So finally our Elementor is loaded. So this is the section I created. Need help with medical billing for your practice? So it's type of a section that our SEO person or a developer or anyone, they can use it and use this component in any sort of a page or any sort of a, but he has to use just this is a shortcut. All WordPress developer know what is meant by shortcut. Just have to copy the shortcut and paste, just like I have show it to my client that all posts, if he does not delete it, then let me show you edit. So this is a classic editor of a WordPress, and you can see he has deleted, but let me integrate it again. So I have copy, okay, and first of all let me show you clearly. This is the blog post of our website, and here is a section, and I want to put the reusable component here. So just I have paste my shortcode here and update. Okay, so if website has not any sort of a cache problem, then it will be shown directly. So it's updated successfully. Let me refresh the page, and boom, you can see our section come here. So it is the reusable component that it's not in the part of a template of a blog post, and you use this component in a specific blogs in a specific pages where you want. So guys, if you like this video and if this video is helpful for you, then subscribe it and share it with your WordPress developers or any person who are starting to learn WordPress. You can share the video with him. Thank you guys for watching.